Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to resize images in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com. Then click on the website that you want to adjust or resize its images or images on. Then I will go to this menu page, and this is the image that I want to resize or adjust its size. So the first thing you can do is to grab those dots, blue dots, and you can make it, you can adjust the photo size like that. You can also resize it this way, up and down. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. You can also resize it this way, up and down, as you want. You can also make the photo collapsible like that. And after all of those changes, let's publish them and view my resized images. This is the first photo, this is the second one, and this is the photo with collapsible details, not photo. And this is how to resize images in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.